Find out what maintenance management software can do for you. Maintenance management software helps your business organize its physical assets, particularly in industries that require upkeep of large facilities and that have a considerable equipment inventory. This tool aids the tracking and servicing of physical assets to improve operational efficiency and maintain a safe work environment. Common features found in maintenance management software include asset tracking, which allows you to monitor the details of physical assets, such as warranties, performance, life expectancy, and depreciation. Work order management allows users to submit job requests for maintenance, including the type of problem and the materials required. Inventory management helps businesses oversee stock quantity and track materials needed for optimum efficiency on the work floor. Additional features might include predictive maintenance, mobile access, scheduling, and reporting. Ready to find the right maintenance management software for you? Get personalized software recommendations by visiting GetApp.com.